I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut brittle candy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. This includes 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Also, prepare 1 1/2 cups of raw peanuts, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and prevents any last-minute scrambling. Now let's get cooking. In a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it cook. Use a candy thermometer to monitor the temperature. You're aiming for a precise 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This stage is crucial for achieving the perfect brittle texture. Once your sugar mixture hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to work quickly. Immediately stir in your 1 1/2 cups of raw peanuts. Remove the pan from the heat and swiftly add the 2 tablespoons of butter, stirring until it's fully melted and incorporated. Then, quickly mix in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and the 1 teaspoon of baking soda. The baking soda creates tiny air bubbles, giving the brittle its characteristic crispness. As soon as everything is mixed, pour the hot brittle mixture onto a generously buttered baking sheet. Use a buttered spatula or the back of a spoon to spread it out as thinly and evenly as possible. Let it cool completely, which usually takes at least 30 minutes, or until it's firm and hard. Once cooled, simply break the brittle into irregular pieces. It's perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.